Hello guys, next on the list is Bybit Exchange. To get deposit address from the Bybit Exchange, you have to consider 3 factors. 1. Sign up a Bybit account. 2. Pass KYC. 3. Make sure the token you are seeking is listed on the Bybit Exchange platform. After you have confirmed these 3 factors, you open up the Bybit app, you click on Assets, you take a scroll down, and then you click on Deposit. You select Deposit Crypto. Here you can search for any cryptocurrency token of your choice that is listed on the Bybit app. For this, I'll click on Dogs. I'll click on the chain type. Here you go. Here is your wallet address and your memo, as well as the name of the network platform. Remember, if you are copying a deposit address for a token with memo or tag, make sure to copy both the wallet address and your tag before making a deposit, else your funds will not be safe. The series continues. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Cheers.